Welcome to this Guique installation video showing you how to install strap buttons. In front of me is my electric ukulele. Whether you're installing on a new build or existing guitar, the process is really easy. When you buy strap buttons from us, you will receive the strap buttons, black felt washers, stainless steel screws, and a small driving tool. First, you need to remove the existing strap buttons. A flat or crosshead screwdriver is usually required for this job. To install Guique strap buttons, you need to assemble the parts so that the stainless steel screw goes through the middle of the button, just like so. Then place one of the felt washers onto the screw. The felt washers help to cushion the part against the body of the guitar, and they can also be slightly tricky to get on as well. Place the screw into the hole and then hand tighten the screw initially to get it going, and then after that use the tool to drive the screw in. I recommend holding the tip of the tool while in the screw head, as this can prevent it from slipping out accidentally. And that's it, a completed installation.